channel, and I am Piali with a brand new video. Today's topic is some tips about online fashion shopping. As we all know that festive season is knocking at the door and Durga Puja is within 15 days, and after that there will be Diwali, then Christmas, then January, 1st January, and there are so many lists. The list is endless. So we all are planning to shop, right? We hardly have time to go for shopping, and then some shops have also restricted their trial version. They have cancelled the exchange policies and all due to this COVID. So the best option is to shop from online. As we all know that Flipkart's biggest Big Billion Sale is going to be live from 3rd to 10th of October on almost on all their products, taking from gadgets, mobile accessories, fashion to kitchen accessories, furnitures and whatnot. So being a smart buyer, we must grab all these opportunities. What say? As my video is about online fashion shopping, so I am going to guide you all with some basic things that you must follow while shopping online. I would like to request you all to please watch the video till the end, and please subscribe to my channel. As you know, this is absolutely free of cost. You don't have to pay any extra amount for subscribing my channel. Instead, you can get all the updates further whenever I upload any videos. And if you like my video, then please click on the like button and do comment with your feedback below. Before starting with that, let us discuss about some myths that many people have. The first and foremost myth about online shopping is about the measurement. Many people get confused about their fitting issues, but Flipkart do have their own size chart, and if you follow the size chart, then you can get your perfect fit. And in case if you don't know about your body measurement, then I would suggest you to go to any local tailor shop, and then the size of your arms, your shoulders, your bust, your waist and everything, and then make a body chart and keep it with you for further shopping from online. You don't need to worry about the fitting issues, as most of the products are of branded that are sold on Flipkart. The second myth is about the payment option. While buying anything from online, many of us are confused about the payment option. Many of us do not trust the websites. We often think that if our credit card or debit card gets hacked, or if our bank balance gets stolen from any hacker or something, that yes, it is quite obvious to be think about all these things. But in case of Flipkart and other authorized website, you are completely safe. They have a complete safe payment process, and there will be no chance to get your cards or bank accounts to be stolen or to be. So you are completely safe while paying online for any products that you are purchasing. But I would like to suggest you one thing, that if you are returning a product and claiming a refund on that, then do take that refund on the bank account, on your bank account from where you have paid, instead of opting for the wallet options offered by Flipkart. The third myth about buying online products is about the quality issue. Often we are confused about the quality of the clothes that we have decided to buy. For clearing those doubts, you must go through the reviews and ratings given by the existing customers under those products, and you must also find out that whether those reviews are authentic or not. So these were all the three most common myths that many people have and are of doubtful about. Coming to the shopping part, there are varieties of options that you can get from this e-commerce site. For example, there are ethnic wears, western wears, Indo-western wears and many more. So first decide what you want to buy. If you are looking for a ethnic wear, then you also get varieties of options inside that ethnic wears too. So ethnic wears comes in a lot of varieties, such as salwar suits, gowns, anarkali gowns, patialas, kurtis, and so many things. You need to plan a lot of things. This is important, you know why? Because Flipkart offers a lot of varieties, as I said earlier. You must not get distracted from the main thing that you want to buy. Suppose you are wanting to buy a ethnic wear, a salwar suit, and Flipkart is showing you something else, and you are getting distracted towards that product. But later on, if you accidentally buy the product as well, later on you may realize that this was not that product that you were looking for. So make sure to stick at your point that you want to buy these things only. First of all, decide a budget. You may have a budget. For example, you may want to buy a gown worth rupees 1000, or you might buy a sari worth rupees 2000. Plan a budget accordingly and then proceed with the further steps. The second thing about fashion shopping is that decide what fabric do you want. Do you want cotton? Do you want rayon? Do you want polyester or handloom things, anything, or silk? Or there are varieties of options, as I said. So filter option will allow you to shoo away all the unnecessary things. For example, if you are searching for a cotton silk sari, then you just go to that filter option. You just choose your desired budget, you choose your desired sari type of the sari, whether you are desiring for a solid color or printed one. Everything you will get. So let's check out how to filter out the unnecessary things and get the perfect outfit for the festive season. Go to the Flipkart app from your mobile phone. You can also do the same process by logging into your web browser. So you can see the screen in front of you. Click on the burger side on the top left and select all categories. You can see that there are so many categories. Select fashion and look. There are so many options, so many varieties you can get, from top to shoes, from shirts to wallets, jackets, watches, kids apparel, and the list is endless, as I said. Scrolling down to see all the options, but do not get distracted from the thing what you want to buy. There are so many discounts, there are so many offers, there are so many varieties, but stick to your point. Go up and select the women section. You will further get to see some more subcategories like ethnic wear, western wear, accessories, footwear, and so many other things. From these options, I am selecting the kurtas and kurtis category to get the best deals and the best things on kurtas and kurtis. But as you can see that there are so many varieties, so we must filter out our searches so that we can get the best one that we are desiring for. So let's start with the filtering option. Select the filter option, and from there you can see that there are so many things that you can filter out, like the price, the super coin price, the delivery, the assured products, brand, and so many things. So select everything according to your desires, such as the clothing style, clothing size, clothing type, for what occasion you are going to buy the product. And if you have any brand fascination, you can select the brand from there. Make sure to know everything about what you want to purchase from online, and then only proceed with the buying process. As you can see that here I have filtered out almost everything. So this is the step-by-step process that you can follow. It is always suggested to focus on the things that you always want to have in your wardrobe. For the physical shopping process, you won't be getting so many options to focus on your needs and filter out the unnecessary things. So it is always advisable to have a online shopping where you can sit at your room and then you can just enjoy the shopping. So as you can see that almost I have completed filtering the options, and I am all ready to apply the filter and get my searches on. So here comes the most suggested things that Flipkart has selected for me according to my want and need. You can see that there are so many varieties and there are so many things that I can buy. You can further get a specified product by sorting out the products, their popularity, prices and etc. So yes, this is the very simple thing that you must do while shopping from online. Let's see what else you need to follow. Please watch the video till end. The next step is check the delivery date. Some of the products on Flipkart delays takes a lot of time to get delivered, but some of the products if you are ordering today, you can get it by tomorrow itself. So depending on these things, at what time you want to get the product, you must first check the delivery date option, then you must proceed with the buying process. Okay, some businesses accepts return, some businesses accept exchanges. Different businesses have different return policies that you must be aware of. I hope you have liked my video. If you like my video, please press the like button and please subscribe to my channel to get such updates on a daily basis. That's all for today. I am ending this video here only, and we'll be back with another new video. Till then, goodbye and take care, and shop like a pro. Enjoy the offers, grab the discounts, because you know what, festive season is knocking at the door. Look your best, shop your best.